Every room can benefit from some extra organization. IKEA is the place to go to meet all of our organizing challenges. Mostly everything you will see in this video is affordable, practical, and under $20. The IKEA 365 Food Storage series is my favorite. You can use them for your dry foods, and what I love about them most is that the containers are slender, so it doesn't take up much space, and they're only $3.99. You have seen me use them in our pantry, storing our pasta, our sugar, and it's been about 3 years and I still love them. In fact, I love them so much, I even use them in our laundry room for storing my scent booster packs. Just remove the lid, fill the jar, open half the lid when you need a packet. These steel wire mesh baskets are also from IKEA, but what I like most about them is the versatility of them. Currently, I'm using them to store my vegetables that I'm going to be cooking throughout the week, but I do have my must-haves stored in my pantry. I like how it looks sitting on my shelf, and it's easy access where I can get a quick overview of what I have and the handles on it for easy carrying. You can take it with you to the grocery store or even to your farmer's market. They come in white, and I've even seen them in green, and they will only set you back $12.99 each. It's the small things that make a big difference during your laundry and cleaning routine. You can get 30 clothespins in this cute little basket for $2.99, but to be honest, the pins aren't ideal for heavy clothing, but it's perfect for delicates. Add a little quality to your wardrobe by getting wooden hangers. You can get a pack of 8 for only $3.79. I use them all of the time, and for an extra 50 cents, you can get a shoulder shaper to protect the shape of your knitted sweaters and blouses. From Q-tips to paper clips, organize your bathroom with this 5-piece set from IKEA. The clear storage helps you to see things are getting low, and the covers to help keep those unwanted dust bunnies out. You've seen me use them in my master bathroom linen closet to store my overage of makeup applicators, and I must say it's working out pretty fine. And recently you may have seen me use them in our guest bathroom. There are so many ways you can use them. You will not be disappointed, I promise you. These items are from HomeGoods. Every laundry room needs a laundry detergent storage tin box, right? You can use this set as decor, or you can use it to keep your washing powder tabs or powder, and the tin is tight to keep your powder dry, and it even comes with its very own scoop. I picked up a few spray bottles for 99 cents each. I couldn't leave them. They're perfect for adding your DIY cleaning sprays and stain removals. And for $9.99, I picked up a few recycle bins as well. They have 2 sizes. This is the smaller of the 2, but I couldn't leave mine as is. I had to have a little fun with it by painting the foldable lid using some acrylic paint I had already, and I believe you can get this brand from any craft store. I took it up a notch by adding some fun peel and stick letters to the top of each bin. These bins are great for sorting your glass, plastics, papers, but you can use them in your pantry for extra storage or even in your office for storing your printing paper. I have our bins right at the door from our laundry room for easy access, and the pegboards above the bins are temporary because we are going to be making over our laundry room. I placed 2 pegboard panels that I got from Home Depot. However, it did not come this color. I spray painted the boards. The hooks are sold separately, and the mop and broom holder you can get from Home Depot. So I hope this video has been helpful to you. Let me know down below if you want to see more IKEA home organization solutions, and I want to thank you all for watching.